Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. Today we're going to unbox Vans sneakers that have been in my, sneaker bodega for the last year. So actually more than a year. So this sneaker has been in my shelf. I have not worn it. I've not tried it on. It's just been there for the longest time now. And since I'm running out of things to unbox for you on this channel, and I'm literally at my wit's end as to what content to create, I decided to finally unbox it. But before we get to the actual unboxing, I just want to show you how aged this is. Now, this box used to be really dark brown. Now, take a look at the discoloration along the side. It's actually almost greenish. That's supposed to be this color. See? Dark brown, greenish. So that's how much the sun has already discolored the box along the sides. Now, this one is actually a special Vans Takahashi sneaker. So it's made out of some sort of like brown suede. And as most of you know, I love suede. So for today's episode, we'll unbox it, put it on feet, check it out. And yeah, kamustahan na lang din tayo. Let's go. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, two reasons. Number one, I'm giving this away, which is a 1 out of 5 Jordan 3 exclusive custom by Sabotage from Singapore. Only 5 sneakers in the world. And also this one, which is a brand new Yeezy Boost 350 V2 in black static color, size 9.5. So it's not size 12, it's not size 13, it's not a giant size. Most of you can probably fit in this. So if you haven't subscribed yet, if you haven't followed me on Facebook yet, if you haven't followed me on Instagram yet, all the links can be found down below, as well as the links to the videos where I talk about the individual mechanics of each giveaway. Good luck! Okay, so lagi na lang tayong ganun, no? So we'll change the mood of the vlog a bit by walking around. Before we get to the unboxing, let me just show you the sneakers of the day as well as the wristwatch of the day. For our sneakers of the day, we have the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Earth, which is one of my favorite Yeezys right now. Super comfortable, love the color. They're kind of like hotel slippers, and that's something that I keep saying about the 350s. And yeah, they're just super comfy all day. And for our wristwatch check of the day, we have the Seiko Bape Camo mechanical watch. So this one, it's like the OG model. I did a review of the black version. If you guys want to see my entire watch collection, I did a video on that. I'll put a link down below as well as somewhere up there. Watch it after you finish this video. Get to the unboxing. So as I mentioned earlier, this is a special Vans Takahashi sneaker. To those who don't know, Takahashi does a lot of collaboration with Vans, and they're all super kick-ass. So this one, if we just pop the box open, you guys already get a feel for the shoe. And to those who know me very well, and if you've been a follower of this channel, then you probably know why I like this shoe so much. Because number one, it is brown, and my favorite color for sneakers is brown. And number two, it has suede, and I just love suede on sneakers. So I really don't know what this sneaker is called per se. I got this from Shoe Freak PH. He's one of my favorite online resellers more than a year ago. And the reason why I got it wasn't because of the story, wasn't because of the collaboration, mainly because it just looks so kick-ass. And it was a sneaker that talked to me. The aesthetic was something that I appreciated and I liked, so I picked it up. Now, what are the elements of the sneaker? Well, apart from the hairy suede over here, you have a finer suede. I'm not sure if this is suede, nubuck, or leather. The toe box, as well as here at the collar of the ankle and the back of the heel. You also have a leather patch over here that says Destroy. From my research, apparently, if you use sneakers to skate, this is the part of the sneaker that actually breaks down fast. So since primarily Vans is a skating brand, that's probably the reason why it says over there, Destroy. Well, for me, it just means destroy everything. Now, at the tongue tab, you have the Vans logo and Takahashi's name there as well. And you have Vans Takahashi label here at the back as well. So with the unboxing out of the way, let's put this sneaker on feet so we can get a feel for what it looks like, how it feels on feet, how's the cushioning, all of that great stuff. Let's go. Okay, so it's one of those sneakers that look really good. They're kind of comfortable, but with the selection of sneakers that you have today that have a variety of high-level or high-tech cushioning technology, you have Boost of Adidas, you have React, you have Ultra Cush, and a variety of others. Hover, of course, of Under Armour. Yeah, it's not up to par. But hey, if you're looking for kick-ass skating shoes that are made from brown suede that you can also use, to style up, to look good, then this is probably one of the sneakers that you might want to check out. I got them from Shoe Freak PH. I'll put a link to his Instagram account down below, just in case you guys are looking for online reseller that you can trust. Now we're nearing my favorite time of the day. The time check, we are almost 5 o'clock. Here in the Philippines as I am filming this video, and 5 o'clock is my favorite time because that's when we see the sunset here in Green Hills in my condo, and I have a great view of the sunset. Hopefully I get to see it again today. And if there's one thing that I noticed, and it allowed me to share with you guys, the sunsets lately have been morbidly beautiful. They've been silent, very calm, peaceful, serene, but there is a sense of sadness in the air because of what's happening in the Philippines, because of what's happening all around the world with the coronavirus and COVID-19. And personally, for me, it's even kind of more scarier. So there's some sort of fear because where I live is literally a hotspot or a hotbed of coronavirus and COVID-19. I live in Green Hills along Annapolis, and Green Hills Mall, Barangay Green Hills, has over 14 cases. West Crame, which is just behind us, has 12 cases, and the numbers just keep going up and up. Normally, I would feel invincible, and that's not something that you guys should emulate by any means. But there's this sense of dread and fear now that I didn't have before. Every time situations like, akala mo naman sobrang dalas mangyari nito, but for this particular instance, to those who don't know, my wife is a type 1 diabetic. So she actually uses insulin several times a day. And she's one of the most courageous, bravest women I've ever known in my life, because despite everything that's been thrown her way, she has a very positive outlook in life. She's always energetic, and she's always been a big blessing to me and in my life. And the bad news is that her condition makes her immunocompromised. So it will be very difficult for her to have the virus. And that is one of the most sobering, scariest, worrisome, dreadful things that I can ever think of facing, or just the thought of it is just world-shattering for me. So yeah, sunsets are usually beautiful. I even before all of this, I would always enjoy, when I get home early, I would look at the sunset and I would enjoy God's creation and the beauty of everything. But now, oh man, it's just so different. It's just so eerily, morbidly, worrisomely beautiful sunsets. That's what sunsets these days remind me of. So yeah, guys, so I'm sorry if we're ending on that note, but I think what's important is we should be praying for one another. We should be looking out for one another. If there are people within your family, I'm sure I'm not the only one who has a similar situation like this. Maybe take extra care, take extra precaution. We all know that elderly people are affected worse than younger people, and we all know, of course, people who are immunocompromised, people who have pre-existing conditions, are also at a bigger threat. So if there are people around you that are like that, if sometimes it might even, reach a point where you can be offensive to them, because you need to keep on reminding them to take care of themselves and to be more cautious, then maybe you should go ahead and do that. At the end of the day, man, we really have to take care of those people who are at threat of this virus. It's incredibly jarring if those close to you are at a higher risk if ever they get it. But anyway, so yeah, we'll end the vlog there. Well, before anything, if you guys want to donate, if you guys want to help out, there are several applications that offer easy donations via the app. You can check out Lazada. They have Lazada for Good. You can check out the PayMaya app. You can actually select from multiple organizations on where you can donate. If you want to donate to relief workers, if you want to donate to families that are having a difficult time finding food because the breadwinner probably lost their job. If you want to donate to children affected by the virus, there are a lot of NGOs that are already hooked up on Lazada and PayMaya. And please don't think that whatever you can give, let's say if it's just small, and you feel na, wala to masyado matutulungan, guys, any amount all adds up. It will make a big difference, believe me. So if you can bless others. And with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed our vlog for today. Take care of one another. Take care of your loved ones. Take care of the elderly, your parents, your grandparents. If there's anybody within your circle that's immunocompromised, take care of them as well. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.